The next video is on risk assessment. This section is most important section. I want you to give some quality information in this section. See, first we start with explaining how the risk assessment will be conducted. We mostly use 6 steps to conduct risk assessment. That includes these six steps: identifying the hazard, identifying the risk, assess the risk, control the risk, document, and monitoring and review. So these are usual steps that we identify in risk management. So before initiating work at the workplace, it is very important for the risk management team to analyze the possible risks that might happen at the organization. So when they go and cross-check work environments, they will find certain hazards and risks. For each hazard and risk, maybe it can be a practical one or it can be from assumptions. So for both the things, they should create certain strategies by understanding causes and implications. What if risk happens? What could happen to the employee? Something like that. So they will be analyzing and they will prepare certain strategies to control the risk. Controlling means it includes elimination, substitution. See, we can eliminate completely the happening of the risk or hazard. We can substitute. For example, if we are using very dangerous material, we can replace it with some other XYZ material to control the problem in that way. So after creating certain strategies, we document everything and we later we continuously monitor the situation. If something happen, what kind of for example, though we took some controls, if some hazard happens, what kind of steps should be taken to reduce the damage? These things will be discussed. This is the procedure that we follow to assess the risk. So in the document we mention, we try to explain what we are going to do next. See, next one is about assessing government and environmental health. As I told you, government will have strong policies, stringent policies to let make organizations follow environmental health practices. Okay, what kind of political decisions, health and safety department related policies, environmental policies that should be learned, and what kind of influences it will have on environmental health, and is it a challenging thing to environmental health, that should be discussed. Similarly, we also discuss about organization related information, organization related policies that explains about the risk. In the next video, I will help you to understand to write about identification of risk.